If you have a house in East Palestine, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easy, and conveniently and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Parichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in East Palestine. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in East Palestine prefer to work with us over working with a traditional buyer that's got to qualify for a loan. So with us, we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. No questions asked. We buy houses as is. That means no work for you to do, no money for you to invest to get this thing ready. You don't got to clean anything, and you don't got to haul anything away. So anything that you want out of the house, you can take with you. Anything that you don't want or don't need, you can leave behind. And what allows us to buy houses as is in and around East Palestine is we're a cash buyer. We're not dealing with a bank. We're not dealing with a mortgage lender. With a traditional buyer, with some of these traditional buyers who's using a mortgage lender, it's very complicated because they got to get it inspected. They got to get the house appraised. It could end up wasting a lot of your time as a seller. With us, there's no time wasted. You tell us when you want to close. If you want to close quickly, we can make it happen. If you need more time and you want to do something, flexible and you want to set a future date, we can accommodate that as well. With a traditional buyer, first things first, they send this inspector through. It's going to be very intrusive, and they're going to test every outlet and every light switch and every ceiling fan and open and close the doors and the windows. And what they're going to do is compile pages and pages and pages of everything wrong with the house, and that could be used against you to try to renegotiate or get an extension and just lead to more wasted time and wasted money for you. And then if you survive that inspection, it gets worse because now they got to send the appraiser through. If the appraiser's having a bad day, they could pull the rug out from this thing, right, and send you back to square one, completely wasting your time. And in real estate, time is money, because every day that is wasted is another day you got to pay for utilities and pay for insurance and pay for property taxes and just a huge opportunity cost. All of that is avoidable. And with this traditional buyer, if you were to work with a traditional buyer, if they had a real estate agent and they want you to contribute to the commissions, that's more money that's right off your bottom line and out of your pocket. All of that is avoidable. Just sell to a local reputable cash buyer like us that's going to give you a fair price. And if you have a house in East Palestine and you at least want to see what we could do, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website. We were founded in Columbus, but we're very familiar with East Palestine and sellers in the area. So when we get on the phone with you, it's just a very easy conversation. Just need to know more about the house and know more about when you're looking to sell. So if you want to move quickly, we can move quickly. If you need flexibility and set a future date, we can accommodate your needs there as well. And we're going to make you a cash offer. If our cash offer works for you, then great, we're going to move forward. If our offer does not work for you, we're just going to shake hands and part as friends. There's never going to be any added pressure or sales tactics or gimmicks or games. So if you have a house in East Palestine and you want to sell fast, easy, and conveniently for a fair price, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Parichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.